If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the game from syncing with the cloud. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or the Rockstar Launcher, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check Rockstar server status. Visit the Rockstar Game Server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the cloud services. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software, as these can sometimes block the game from accessing the cloud. Remember to turn them back on after testing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.